And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log workouts in Fitbod. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to log workouts in Fitbod, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Fitbod. Once you have simply tapped open your Fitbod, to log workouts in Fitbod, you need to simply go through your general workout and tap the check mark icon for each exercise or manually add a past workout by logging into the log tab. So once you have tapped on the log tab, you need to tap on the plus next to the past workouts and enter the details. You can also save a workout to reuse later by selecting the dot menu that is just given there in the menu bar. Once you have tapped on the three dots icon menu in the top right of the workout screen, you need to choose the save workout, naming it and simply saving it. So once you have done this, you will be able to log workouts in Fitbod. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.